afternoon. It's 2 now, so I just had breakfast. I had crepes of Brittany, and then I had some coffee at Captain and Stoker. And now I'm going to take the trolley here to the Monterey Bay Aquarium. And I have been to Monterey once, and I did see the aquarium once as a kid. I want to say I was probably like 8 years old or something, so it was quite a while ago. And I'm curious to go back because in my kid brain I remember it being pretty awesome. I got chased by an eel once when I was in Hawaii and snorkeling. Maybe it was this guy. They're kind of like a fish without snake. Fish snake.
I'm back at my motel in Monterey, and today was a good day. I really enjoyed my rest day here, and I wish I had more time. Tomorrow I'm gonna do the 17-mile drive and check out Carmel by the sea, and then stay at a hostel. And then after that, I'll be leaving to head towards Santa Cruz. And then a few more stops, and then it'll be San Francisco. And I'm planning to stay there for 6 nights and 5 days, so I'm really looking forward to that too. And that should give me plenty of time to see the sights and do all my errands and just feel relaxed and rejuvenated before I have to keep on checking. My rest days haven't been feeling like rest days really, and I'm still quite tired. I may just keep squeezing in more rest days as I go and see if that helps. I think the more I do, the fitter I'll be and the more capable I'll be, right? So I hope it gets easier from here on out. And I've heard that Northern California has some crazy hills. They may be worse than Big Sur, but at least Big Sur is out of the way, and I don't have crazy Northern California hills until at least after San Francisco. So the aquarium today was really awesome. It's such a cool place. I definitely recommend it. It is a little pricey, but I feel like it's worth it. Just a ton of different species. It's hard to pick a favorite, but I think I really liked they're called garden eels. They were so cute. I don't know why. I really like the weird, odd animals the best, I think. So, yeah, those are probably my favorite.
Good afternoon. It's Sunday, September 15th, and I am going to be lazy again today and skip the 17-mile drive because I woke up again this morning not wanting to move. So, and I do still have chores and things to do, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm walking to a laundromat, and then I'm going to just go take a bus down to Carmel and check that out. And yeah, just have another rest day because I feel like I need it. You're pedaling backwards there, dog. That's really cute. Okay, just finished with my laundry. I am gonna go check out Carmel now. I'm gonna drop my squeaky clean clothes back off at the hostel, and then yeah, go get some beer. It's kind of cute how they're taking turns.